Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a knee brace, and I'm going to show you guys basics of how this works here. It's very breathable design. You can see it's got a lot of open air access to it, and then it rotates like this. You can see it only rotates this way, so when you bend your knee, it's going to bend with that. And so I'm going to try to put this on here, and I'll kind of show you guys how the basics of it work. So let's kind of aim you down here towards my knee, and you'll see they are numbered. It says calf and thigh, so you know which area it goes, and then it's numbered 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's how you know which one you do it. And you kind of line this up here, I think, with just your knee up there, and then number 1, it's got a lot of Velcro on it, is the second one up, and you put that one above your calf. I don't have it lined up, but it clips up in there like this, like there, and then you cinch it up there. So, and on the side, you want it to actually be sit next to your knee. So you got it lined up there. This is above your calf, so it'll stay. Otherwise, it'll probably slide down. You know, so you got to have it gripping on there. And then this is number 2, and then you got this easy Velcro to make it tighter or looser, however you like. And then 3 is this one here. The Velcro is just not all lined up right now, but get the idea. So 3 will go on my thigh. And I made it way too tight, but let's see. Okay, here we go. There's number 3. And 4 is here. And again, that one just starts off a little tight. So I just loosen it, clip it in, adjust the foam, and there we go. So there, and I can push the foam around, whatever like that. And now you see my leg can move this way, up, up and down like I would, but not, it's not gonna twist. I don't understand how you, like that, like the way this foot twists that way. This one can't really do that too much, so you can bend it, this way. So it's a knee brace. Keeps your knee straight. So that's kind of the concept of it there. And you see it's got a nice airy design. The foam is pretty breathable too, so that's good and comfortable, and I like it. So you've got lined up, and I can walk on it and do whatever. So that's basically how this works. And so as far as knee braces go, I'll give it a thumbs up.